My dear children, welcome to the Business Studies class. Today in this module, we are going to study the term business ethics. The word ethics is derived from the Greek word ethos, which means character, ideals, and standards of behavior. Ethics may be defined as the study of moral behavior. It is concerned with standards of moral conduct as these are established and expressed through the behavior of individuals in an organization or society. Every occupation has its own ethics. Example, medical ethics, legal ethics, accounting ethics, business ethics, etc. Ethics become meaningful only when they are understood with reference to the decisions and the actions of the individuals in a particular field of activity. Ethics defines what is right and what is wrong in human behavior in terms of norms, ideals, and morals of the society. The important elements of business ethics are top management commitment, then code of ethics, publication of code, employee involvement, regular monitoring, etc. Now we are going to study these topics in detail. The first one is top management commitment. The top management can play a vital role in guiding the enterprises towards the ethical behavior. The board of directors and the chief executive must show a strong commitment to ethical conduct. They must provide leadership for developing and uploading moral values. The second point is a code of ethics. A written code of conduct defines the principles of conduct to be followed. The code may cover issues such as product safety and quality, employment practices, fair marketing practices, health and safety in the workplace, conflict of interest, financial reporting, etc. The third important point is complaints mechanism. Suitable mechanisms need to be established to ensure that actual decisions and the actions comply with the firm's ethical standards. The degree of the complaints should be monitored regularly. The communication systems are needed to help the employees report incidents of unethical behavior. The last point is employee involvement. The employees at all levels must be involved in the implementation of ethical policies and programs. For example, small groups of employees may be formed to analyze the firm's ethical policies and to judge attitudes towards these policies. The end results of ethical programs should be measured and reported on a regular basis. The top management and the other executives can review and revise the company's ethical policies and programs on the basis of such feedback. Regular monitoring, employee involvement, complaints mechanisms, top management commitment, and code of ethics. These are the important elements of business ethics. Thank you. The concept of business ethics may be defined as a set of standards or principles governing the moral conduct of the businessman. It requires the business to be honest with themselves and with others. Ethical behavior on the part of all these engaged in a business has its roots in various aspects of contemporary society. Example, social values, work ethics, goals of the organization, etc. It is very difficult to say what constitutes unethical behavior on the part of the businessman. However, keeping a double set of accounts to evade taxes, corrupting public servants to get favors, using misleading advertisements to defraud customers, revealing trade secrets to competitors, using company's property for personal benefit are all examples of unethical behavior. An act, decision, or any other activity is considered ethical if it is conformity with the norms or standards prevailing in society. Ethics involves critical evaluation of human actions to determine whether they are right or wrong in terms of truth and justice. For example, the false claims in advertisement and doing personal business on company time are unethical. However, it is not always easy to differentiate between right and wrong. The same act may be unethical in one situation or ethical in another situation. For instance, killing a civilian in time of war is unethical, but killing an enemy soldier in the same war is considered ethical. Now, business realized that ethical considerations are important in business for the following reasons. The first one, businessmen are responsible for the welfare of the society. They can discharge their social responsibility only when they adopt ethical practices. Then another point, modern society is an industrial society and the business values to a large extent are adopted by most members of the society. Then if a business adopts unethical practices, it can lose their power and prestige it enjoys in the society. Then last point is a job has a fairly important place in a person's life. A healthy personality can be developed only when the business values are in harmony with social values. These are the important points considered in the case of business ethics. Thank you.